so I was looking exactly like this, and whatever I want, it's perfect. Like, look at this, how pretty it is. And then I'll just go. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel and happy new year. I wish you all the very happiness, success, good health in this new year. I hope you all had a wonderful New Year Eve and the start of new year. We had fun New Year Eve and we didn't do that much. We had a nice dinner, we came home and watched TV, and that's all I wanted, so it was good. And let's get into the video. If you guys have been watching my video for a year, then you guys know that I do not like my natural hair, because my natural hair is like this, wavy or curly, or I don't know what you call this. So I really don't like to go out like this, so I always blow dry my hair. And I am always looking for something that is fast and easy, so I can blow dry my hair quickly, because you know that my life is really busy. I work full-time, I do YouTube, and I work out and come home and have family. So it's just like too many things. So I'm always looking for something that I can just blow dry my hair quickly, and I can save my time. Last year I discovered this Revlon hair dryer, and I love this hair dryer, and I made a video and review on this Revlon hair dryer. I'm gonna insert the link up there, you can watch that one. I still love this one, but I decided to purchase something else. So I've been looking for this item for a little long time, and this time I made a decision and I decided to buy it. So this one is a Dyson Airwrap. I've been wanting to buy this for quite a long time, but I didn't know which one should I buy, just the dryer or the whole kit. So I made a decision with this Airwrap, and I am quite happy actually. I bought this in Nordstrom. They're selling, like, you know, in Sephora, Nordstrom and Neiman. So using this for a month now, and I want to give you an honest review, because I've been you know, looking in the YouTube. There are so many reviews on Dyson, and a lot of the reviews are sponsored by Dyson, and this video is not sponsored. And I'm like a normal person, and I think this is very expensive for the hair dryer, so I just want to give you my honest review, and it is really worth to buy and spend money on this Dyson or no. So yeah, I've been using this for a month now, and actually, you know, I'm loving it. I like it. I decided to go and purchase with the whole kit, and I'll show you what it comes with. The whole kit comes with this box, and this is really big and heavy and looks very luxurious. I like the whole, like, in the colors and box. You know, it takes a lot of room, and also it's quite heavy. So if you think like you can travel with this whole kit, no, this is very heavy for me. I can't travel with this. So this is like this inside, and I told you that it's very luxurious. Like, you know, I love the color, and here is all the things comes with this one here. My hand's tired. Oh, I'm tired. So it comes with this 2 bras. I've been using actually everything, so I can give the honest review, and we're going to try everything together here in the video too. So I've been using this bras a lot. Here, bristle has a pink hair. This one is for fine hair, and this one is for thick hair. And it comes with this round bras, and this works exactly like the one with the Revlon hair dryer. So I've been using this one a lot too. And then the fun thing is that this comes with this kind of barrel that you can curl your hair. So every time when I see like pictures of beautiful women and girls, they would make their hair curls, and I wanted to do that. And I bought a lot of, like, you know, other kind of curling wand or like curlers, but it never worked like that. That's the reason also I made the purchase of this. And oh, I forget to tell you the price. Dyson is $549. I think it is very expensive for the hair dryer, but luckily that day Nordstrom was having some kind of like, you know, promotion going on. So if you purchase that day, then you more than $100 or something, you'll get your $100 back. So actually, you know, it was good. So I paid $459. I paid that day full amount, $549, and they said that they're gonna send me a note. So anyways, they come with this barrel. This one is the big barrel, and This one is the little one. This one is for the little, like, you know, defined curls, and this one is for the thick curls. And did you see this arrow here? So this arrow says, like, when I see in the mirror and this arrow goes this way, I have to curl this way. And then when you look in the mirror, and then when the arrow goes that way in the mirror, that's for this side. So a little bit confusing, and sometimes I forget to switch the barrel, and then I was like, it doesn't work. So that's the only one thing kind of a little bit annoying to me, but you know, it's not end of the world. And then also comes with a small dryer. The lady in the Nordstrom, definitely they want me to buy the both, like a hair dryer and the whole kit, right? So they were saying like, no, this hair dryer doesn't work that much, like, you know, you need to buy the separate hair dryer. But this worked as the same like the other bigger hair dryer. So if you are planning to buy the kit, you don't need to buy a separate hair dryer. This worked fine, so don't buy that one. And then here comes the one part, is like this one. This wand is very long. I feel like it's a lifesaver. So here it is, and it flow the ear from here, and you can just attach this one ear right here, and it's very easy to attach it. There is a sign here, then lock and unlock sign, and you can just press that down, and then you can attach like this. Super easy. And also it has a 3 attachment. There is a blue and red. So if you press all the way up, red means it's in the high, and medium and low. And then also if you want to, there's a cold setting. After you wrap your hair, you can press the button up here for a little bit, then it will set your hair. It's a cold setting. And also it comes with this little thingy that you can clean here. So of course, definitely it comes with these catalogs and all these things, and all warranty. I already signed for the warranty and everything. So yeah, I think it's all, I've been loving it, and I feel like it's worth the money, because you know, I am always looking for something quick, dry and straight, fast. So I think this is working quite good for me. When I went to Vegas, I took this one and this one. That's all I put in my hand carry. Actually, my husband handbag. So he was stopped in the security, and the guy was asking him like, what is this? And then he says, it's a lifesaver from the Star Wars. And he was like just laughing, and he was like, I have never seen a hair dryer like that long. So anyway, this is really long. I think it's very long. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna plug this on first, and it doesn't have that big loud sound too. Make a little half my hair, and let me show you from my favorite one, this one. So you just attach these things here. I'll just go like. Did you see the difference? See how smooth and silky it is right already. Look at the difference, like this side and this side. Did you see the difference? Let me do a little bit more. Look at this, how smooth and silky, right? Like, and it doesn't take that long time either. Look at the difference. Ooh, look at this. So this is how it looks with this one, and I told you that I have been using this a lot, and it doesn't get that heat either. The Revlon one gets hot really quickly, but this doesn't get that heat, and also it uses the less heat, means that you less damage your hair. And another thing that everybody asks me about my hair is so shiny and smooth. I use a ghee mask. Ghee is the purified butter. You can go and buy that ghee in any store, like in Whole Food Market or Tum Tum, Walmart, Kroger. I have seen everywhere. Just buy the organic ghee and just put in your hair, just like you do the oil massage. Put in your hair for like half an hour and wash your hair. It's really help you to smooth and shine your hair, and also it helps not to lose your hair that much. So I've been doing that a lot. Even my husband started doing that. In our home, it's a very must needed hair mask, ghee mask. I will insert the clip, like, you know, some ghee you can buy in the store. If you want hair looks healthy, shiny and thicker, then use the ghee mask once a week. So This is this side, and now this side we're going to use a different one. Let's use this brush. So here it is, and you have to comb a little bit few times, like over in your hair. I hope you guys hear me. Right and wrong way to do this hair dry. Look at the difference. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so shiny and smooth and silky. Did you see, guys? So this is the one with this one, and this one with this one. I did not blow dry my hair because I washed my hair and I started doing my makeup, so my hair was already like 60 to 75% dry. So I did not use this one. I just went directly with those other attachment. Exactly what I was looking for, hair brush, and then I can just brush it, and then my hair gets like, you know, straight and silky like this. Look at this, how nice it is. This is how it looks. Look at this, it's nice and straight and so silky, and it feels so soft also. My hair is a little bit still wet here, so I have to go back and do a little bit more. The fun part is about this Airwrap barrel. This is fun. I love this. Let's do. So this one is for this side. Did you see the arrow is going that way? Means I have to use this side of my left side of my hair. So it's fun. Just you have to do is like a little part of the hair like this, and it just takes a little practice. Like, you know, I'm not still like, you know, used to of this, but it takes time. Look at this. This looks so cool. The whatever left out like this, I will go back and do it again. But this looks so cool. Look at these curls. Oh, this is so much fun. Like, I like using this. Does this curl last for a long time? No, it doesn't. Spray all, like, you know, a lot of like hairspray might it last, but it doesn't. Oh, it looks so bouncy and nice. So I will go to do another one now. I told you, don't worry about like, you know, you left this piece, because you can go back and do it again. You see, like, how cool is this? Exactly, I was looking for something like this kind of curl. So let me finish all this. It doesn't take that too thick hair, so make sure that when you curl, don't use too thick of the hair. So just this much. What I have been doing is that I will straighten my hair, and then I'll just take a little few pieces in the front and just curl in the front only. That's what I've been doing lately. I don't want too much like a big lots of curls, so that's what exactly I want. And maybe I can go back and, you know, look in the mirror, and if something I need, I'll go back and do it. So I need to change the barrel, and it's not that very hot. So let's do the small one and see. Okay, let's see how it works. I haven't tried the small barrel, so let's try that one. No, it didn't work. We can try again. Oh wow, look at this. This looks cool, but I like the big one, so let's change this one and this to the big one. So which one? Yes, this one, I think so. I kind of get confused, so I have to look in the mirror like which one go to what direction. There we go. If it doesn't take, then you can just go back and do it again. It's not a big deal. Did you see how nice it is? And I want exactly like this. I do not want too much, like, you know, curl in my hair. So I was looking exactly like this, and whatever I want, it's perfect. And then I'll just go use my fingers to just, like, you know, make sure that it's not too tight curl. And you can spray your spray, or you can leave it like that, but definitely it doesn't last that long. So make sure that you use some kind of spray so it can stay there. So this is how it looks. So what you guys think? I love these things. It is quite pricey, I will tell you, but you know, I decided to buy is also I trust Dyson. I have a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and I love that Dyson vacuum cleaner, and I feel like their product are really good. That's the reason also I trusted, and I decided to invest my money on this one. So look, and if you don't like the curl, you can spray a little bit of like a water, and you can go back and use this brush and smooth it out. Your hair go back to the straight and silky again. So that's another good part also. So this is how it looks. And if you want to do more curl, you don't need more thoughts, then you can go back and definitely go do the more curls. This is my hair looks like using my Dyson new hair kit. Definitely I love it, and if you are looking for a nice hair dryer and you are ready to spend that much money, it is worth it. But make sure that check on those kind of like promotions, like you know, usually Neiman Marcus I haven't seen that many promotion, but Nordstrom, you know, they do this kind of little bit, buy something and get $50 back, or buy something get $100 back. I love it, and I don't know that this comes with different color or no, but I have seen one with this color and I like the color. So only one thing is that it takes a big room because it's quite big and heavy. So you need to have a space, like a specific space for this, like a big box, because look at this how big, and it's like quite big, but a very nice quality box, so I like it. This is my review for the Dyson hair dryer. If you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also share my video with your friends and family who are interested to buying this Dyson hair dryer and save money to buy some good product. And they need to watch some honest review about the Dyson hair dryer, then make sure that tell your friends and family to go check it out my video. And I think it's worth the money, and it's one-time investment, and it lasts for a long time, hopefully, right? So yeah, and then also when you buy, make sure you sign up for the warranty. I think it's a 5 years warranty, so it's kind of good. So that's what it is. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.